We're making a plantain tart. So that what you seen that is plantain with cinnamon stick, nutmeg, sugar. Keep in tune for see the full video. So right now I said I'm making the dough. The window done made. All about filter the dough. Right now I'm putting in the plantain tart. I mean the plantain. This is not meat. I roll it like you're making a patty. Then you hit it with a from. That is not just style, that if I seal it for we can keep together. First I think of style, but if I can keep together. Okay. This new tree. Okay, and there we got it. Some of them look bex, but we're not pay that mind. Again, I don't know how to do this, but we're going to do it. I'm going to make it bake good. Okay, now the thing ready. Take them out. Okay, see them there? Kako to me conoce. You see it there? Plantain tart.